Good afternoon. I'm going to explain about the building a data warehouse topic and business consideration, return on investments, approach. What are the approaches? Organization interested in development of a data warehouse can choose one of the following two approaches. One is top-down and bottom-up approaches. Top-down approach is organization have developed enterprise data model, collected enterprise-wide business requirements, and decided to build an enterprise data warehouse with subset data marts. Bottom-up approach is a business priority resulted in developing individual data marts which are then integrated in enterprise during the EWEDW. And in addition to the general consideration, there are following specific points relevant to the data warehouse design. That is data content. The content and the structure of the data warehouse are reflected in its data model. The data model is the template that describes how information will be organized within the integrated warehouse framework. The data warehouse must be detailed data. It must be formatted, cleaned up, and transformed to fit the warehouse data model. And is a metadata. Metadata, it defines the locations and content of data in the warehouse. Is searchable by user to find data definitions or subject areas. It must provide decision support oriented pointers to warehouse data, and thus provides a logical link between a decision support applications. And then coming to data distributions, it is one of the biggest challenge, and is the data placements and distribution strategy. Data volumes continues to grow in nature, and it is necessary to know how the data should be divided across multiple servers, and which users should get access to which type of data. Data can be distributed based on the subject area, location, or time. The tool of number of tools are available that are specifically designed to help in implemented of the data warehouse. All selected tools must be compatible with the given data warehouse environment and with each other. All tools must be able to use a common metadata. Next, what are the design steps which we are using in design considerations? There are 9-step methods. One is choosing the subject matter, deciding what a fact table represents, identifying and confirming the dimensions, choosing the facts, storing pre-calculations in the fact table, rounding out the dimension table, choosing the duration of the database, the need to track slowly changing dimensions, designing the query priorities and the query models. And some of the benefits of data warehousing is locating the right information, presentation of information, testing of hypothesis, discovering of information, sharing the analysis. Some of the benefits of data warehousing is tangible benefits. One is quantifiable or measurable. Improves in product inventory, designment in production cost, improvement in selections of target markets. And intangible benefits are reducing redundant processing, enhancing customer relations. Then let us start with the group discussion. One of our group discussion with our students. Let us start the group discussion.
Hello everyone, myself Dakshini and my other team members are Akshaya, Lokeshwari, Divya, Jayapriya and Gopikashri. Today, now let's start a group discussion on the topic building a data warehouse. There are 7 main steps here, and the first one is determining the goals. Discovery of a business objectives to be pursued with the data warehouse development project, identification and priorities of the company's department, business user, expectation and need from the project, review of the company's current technologies, conducting a preliminary data source analysis, outlining the data warehouse scope and high-level system requirements including security and compliance.
Next step is develop a concept and choose the platform. Defining the desired data warehouse solution feature set. Choosing the optimal deployment option on premises, in cloud or hybrid. Choose the optimal architecture design approach to building a data warehouse. Selecting the data warehouse technology such as DWH database, ETL or ELT tools, data modeling tools, etc. taking into the account number of data sources and the data volume to be loaded into the data warehouse, data flows to be implemented, data security requirement.
Step 3. Create a business case and a project roadmap. Defining data warehouse deployment, project scope, budget planning, timeline, etc. Scheduling DWH design, development and testing activities. Drawing up a data warehouse project, scope document, data warehouse solution, architecture vision document, data warehouse deployment strategy, test advisory, project implementation roadmap, developing a risk management plan, estimating efforts for the data warehouse development, project TCO and ROI.
Next topic. The next step is analyze the system and design architecture. Data type and structural data model. Data volume generated daily. Degree of data sensitivity and upgrade data access approach. Designing data model for data values and data points. Identifying data objects as entity or attributes. Identifying relationship between entities. Mapping data objects into data values. Designing ETL and ELT process for data integration and data flow control. Step 5. Develop and stabilize the solution. Data warehouse platform customization, configuring data security software and implementing the data security policies, developing ETL and ELT pipelines and testing, data warehouse performance testing. Step 6. Launch the solution. Introducing the data warehouse to business user, having user acceptance test, conducting user training session and workshop. Step 7. Ensure after launch support, ETL and ELT's performance, adjusting data warehousing performance and availability, supporting end